Hello and welcome, Fars here. In this video I'm gonna show you how to level up your cold email game, how to get more meetings, more positive replies and more clients. I'm gonna be showing you how to enrich your current list that you generated through Apollo, Zoom Info, App5, whatever, with additional columns, with personalization. So when you reach out, it looks like you've done a lot of research, you have this first opener that's really crushing, and basically this will get you more positive replies, more meetings and more everything. So I'm gonna be sharing with you an NA10 workflow, pretty simple, and I'm gonna show you the structure, how to implement it into Instantly, Smartly, or whatever you're using. So stay tuned and let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the normal personalization email. We usually personalize the first name and the company name, and that's all. Like, people do this and they hope for big results. Don't get me wrong, you can get pretty nice results with a nice offer and with everything. And let's say the email could go like, "Hi Sarah, I've been following data link and noticed you're tackling challenges in scaling efficiency." So we just personalize this and then we pitch it at Velocity Partners, where we helped firms like Brightech and FinLogic achieve 30% faster growth in under 6 months. I will put together a short personalized video that shows exactly how we tackle growth scaling issues and deliver predictable results. Can I send it over so you can see what we can do for you? So this is a pretty nice cold email. Don't get me wrong, we're pitching a video, we're not pitching a meeting, and we have a pretty nice offer and we have this personalization. But let's see how we can even level up this. So personalized sentence is the way to go. We will still have "Hi Sarah," and then we will have a variable here that we put in Instantly or wherever, and this can stay the same. So one sentence could be something like, "It's impressive to see how DataLink has been at the forefront of electronic products design and development since 1991, especially with your innovative focus on LED lighting solutions." So this is like one, and when you open up with this, you're like not like, you read their website, you've done some research, and it's different. Like, people appreciate that on all the channels when you do this kind of personalization, and then this part can stay the same. So we're gonna be covering how to get these personalized sentences based on their website, and I'm gonna be showing you step by step how to do it. So let's say you use Apollo or something and you got one list, normal list. You can put it in Google Sheets, Airtable, whatever you're using. And at that list, when you format it, like we have the emails, we have the company name, you need to have the website, right? So this one doesn't have the website, but we can maybe just take it here. Okay, this won't work probably, but still. And you want to add, like here, enriched personalization, so that we fill out this personalization column with these sentences. So when we pull it in Instantly, that we can actually take it. So in Instantly, it would look like this. You would have this variable. So when you upload the leads, you will upload them with this column, and then you will have this variable that you can pull from. Oops. And basically for each of the leads, it will be populated. So when you click preview, "Hi Sarah, it's inspiring to see how no stress for you is transforming the tourism industry with such a comprehensive approach to online bookings." And then we present the offer. So we want these personalized messages, and this will get us pretty good results. This will improve your game and get you more success. All right. So let's take a look at the NA10 workflow. So you need to have the database ready, and this is the workflow that I built for enhancing the list. So when we have the list, we started with like a manual click, so you can have like as many as you wish, hundreds of them in there. And then we have this get row node, just basically like connect everything in here. And I would add a filter here like this enriched, and then the value should be without value. So in the update row at the end of the workflow, we're gonna have this populated like with a yes or something. So each time if you need to run it again, so it doesn't run for the ones that have been already done, it only runs through these that haven't been done, okay? And then we start with loop over items. Let's say 10 items go in here, and we need this to go one by one, because if we push everything together, it will just break. Loop over items, batch size 1. And then we have the get website node. And basically in here, we have like this code, this variable pulling data from the column of the website, and it's just saying like if there's a website, take it. If it's not there, just try to find it through the email. And basically I just created this with ChatGPT, letting them know what I want. And then I have in here like send headers, and I use JSON. So in here I have like, because what's gonna happen here, like we're gonna ping a website and it's like a bot, and some website like reject that. So if you have like this I just generated with ChatGPT as well, this will increase the chances that when you ping it, that it's not like completely bot, because when it comes there, it will have something in the headers. And here we want like to mimic Mozilla, Windows or something, so that they actually think that the bot protection bot service thinks that all is good, and they will get us access to the website. So usually like 70% of the websites will get enhanced. Later I'm gonna be building one other workflow that will have more loops and more tools that you try to enhance a bigger percentage of it. So that's one. And then when we get the website, we will get like a messy HTML here with everything. So we have this function node. I created this with ChatGPT as well, basically to clean the data so we get a clean big text. And then we have this AI node with ChatGPT 4o mini, just saying that you should summarize the website, some guidelines, and the output format. Then we have clean company name, because some of the companies have like LLC, or if it's Germany, GmbH and stuff like that. So we want to clean it, because when we reach out and when we mention the company, that it's not like Tesla Inc. or whatever. No one talks like that. And usually people know it's personalization. So we just want a clean company name. And then we have this set fields node. Basically, when this extracts it, that we put it together into about summary, product summary, top features, customer sentiment, and we push it into this AI node where we link about summary, product, and then company name as well. And we have this prompt where we say your task is creating personalized email openers, and then understanding the company background, generate natural and engaging personalization line, output format. We want to limit it. We don't want to like big sentences. We want short personalized sentences. And then we push this to update the row, and we loop it back to loop over items. Okay, so let's click here and test it out. It's going through these, and one by one this should get populated. Yeah, we got a yes here, and we got the first sentence. And let's get back here, and it will just go on. So you want to do this like for all of the leads. Sometimes when you do it too much, Google Sheets will break because you're sending too many requests. You can add some wait nodes, or you can upgrade your Google Cloud. or you can use Airtable or something, because there you don't have these kind of problems. And yeah, you see, some of these are not listed. These are the problems that I just mentioned to you, that sometimes it happens that you get like rejected. But long term, I'm gonna share with you a flow that I'm building as well, where we're gonna push this into an API scraper to enhance it. It's not ready still, but usually we take all of these and add the personalization where we can add it. For those where we don't have it, we just like go with the first email. That's pretty good as well, and we personalize the first name and company. But even better if we can personalize this sentence. So we will just then take this, download it as a CSV, and we would like push it into instantly. You can add some automation here to push it into instantly as well immediately. But yeah, for the sake of organizing, like the most time consuming part of this is actually this, not like generating the list or pushing it into instantly or something. It's actually doing the research to have the personalization in it. So I like mostly to automate the big things, and then usually like when it comes to generating the list and organizing everything, we do that pretty much manually. We have some workflows, but usually it's manually because we need to exclude lists and everything in there. So I hope you found this valuable, and that you can actually implement this and start your own personalization and actually improve your current lists. And by improving your current lists, adding this to your outreach campaigns, I'm sure that you will be booking more meetings, doing more sales, and improving everything. So yeah, if you like what you see, check out my free school community. In there we help agency owners scale. Check out the content, be active, and let me know if you need something. And other than that, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.